flaming it, right? Fuel oil.
Yes, I did.
Bring that motherfucker to Memphis. Load that shit up. That'll look good.
We're doing the purple. Like Melanie purple, something like that. We're gonna do Penny's orange. Yeah.
Let's get a nice little baseline on it. 42 is the feelings either.
Racing. What's up, guys? Camera Tech Support Supervisor at FuelTech USA here with Bryan Epps with the Acrite mobile, right? So I'll get you some Acrite. Man, this thing was awesome on the dyno today. Some big flames like way out to here. Made some big power. I can't tell you it's a Grudge car. If I do tell you, he'll probably throw me in the trailer and lock me up or something, or who knows. But good day on the dyno today. So why don't you kind of give us a rundown of how your day was? I know that this is like a new combination with a whole bunch of new parts. First time fuel injection. You were a carburetor guy before. So just give us a rundown.
Well, I was a carburetor guy before, first time fuel injection, and it's all new to me. You know, the carburetors, I know how to adjust them, and I know how to tune it and go from there. And so this is a learning experience for me. And I decided to go with the FuelTech because of the innovation that it has to match what I have here. And today I learned some stuff, and I think that it's going to be a fun ride.
I think it's going to be fast, man.
It's
it's like I said, it's a Grudge car, so you know that it's, you know, it's fast, but we can't tell you, right?
Right.
But badass piece, small block, turbo 400, kind of, you know, the standard small block nitrous sort of deal, but with some secret sauce on it. So
yeah, we got plenty of secret sauce.
All the secret sauce.
And I'm telling you what, next week at VMP, I'm hoping to spread a whole lot of that secret sauce around.
That's the spicy air.
Yeah, real spicy, it could burn your mouth spicy.
Oh yeah, yeah. I bet you it will. So hopefully you guys liked the video. Keep tuned, watch this thing. We turned all the lights off and everything, had some big flames hanging out of it. You know, it's an overall cool car, really lightweight, really nice build. If you guys will spin around, we got Mr. Kenny Hubbard behind us. He's
I'm over here hanging out.
He's over here hanging out.
Yeah, he's the one pecking the keys.
He's the keyboard man behind this one, and we'll see you guys next time.